reviews.
So this is actually a 6-cup blender. This is nice, perfect size that you can do for a smoothie at your house. You can make a full batch of soup that can last you about a week or so. Like, next product we have is the BLACK+DECKER blender. Another thing I like about this is just the different settings it has for you. So with this one, they actually have it already on there for you. They have a chop setting. If you're making a sauce or a soup, they have a puree setting. You have a grinder setting, a blend setting. So the grind is more so, if say you don't have a Robocoop of your own and you only have this one product, it's kind of a way that you can cross-utilize it and chop some vegetables really quick and then, you know, switch the setting and completely puree it. So this is really gonna cut down your cooking process and your prep time a lot. I trust this brand because the blades are sharp. It's gonna cut through hard to cut, chop vegetables, potatoes, carrots, parsnip, anything of that nature that's hard. This is gonna take it down. Everybody knows that's one of the biggest things that deters people away from cooking at home. It's just how the prep is gonna be, how long it's gonna take. This is something that you can use and it's really just gonna cut down that time tremendously. It actually won't work unless everything is like properly locked into it. So it's like almost like a safety feature. You don't have to worry about someone possibly going over and pressing it and destroying it without, you know, everything really ready to go. I would recommend this for the home cook. I've been using this one at my house now, and as a private chef, I almost use it like, you know, as almost like a restaurant cook, the amount I use it. And I've had this specific one for 3.5 going on 4 years, so it's gonna last you a long time. And as a home cook, this might last you, I mean, even longer than that, maybe 8 years or so. As long as you take care of this, this is gonna last you.